At naban na nga po si Binance here in the Philippines. This is based sa statement na nirelease ng SEC regarding sa pag-proceed nila ng blocking of Binance here in the Philippines. Sinabi dito na in its March 12 meeting, the Commission and Bank, ibig sabihin dumaan sa procedure, approved the filing of a formal request with NTC, National Telecommunications Commission, for assistance in blocking the website and other web pages used by Binance. So far, accessible pa yung Binance sa browser and yung mga mobile apps nila. But mind you, yung meeting is March 12 pa. But sooner or later, mababa na talaga siya because yung request is for NTC. So, ang mangyayari is, ibaban yung website or yung domain para hindi na ma-access. So, pwera na lang kung gusto nyong gumasa sa VPN para lang magstay sa Binance. Ang dapat talaga sigurong gawin natin dito is, ilipat na lang natin yung